Hey guys, today we're going to be checking out WOLFBOX's newest addition to their turbo power fan. And this is the WOLFBOX MF60. So I've reviewed a lot of these portable air blowers off of Amazon, and I'm excited to try this one out because it's a very budget portable blower. So let's right off the bat get into a quick unboxing, and then we'll do a speed test here. So the WOLFBOX MF60. This looks very similar to one of their older models, but I'm curious to see how the speed holds up. So we got some nice instruction manuals here, and then we have the main duster itself. So check that out, guys. This is a really small one. Definitely meant for like carrying around in your bag or somewhere that you're going to be kind of portable with it, which it's in the name. It's a portable turbo blower. So you can see it says air dust there. And then other than that, it's going to be very similar to the other offerings where this is your trigger right here. And then on the back side, you're going to press and hold to turn it on. And then you're going to see your speed right there. And you can rotate between the different speed options. I always am going to use it at the top speed. And then this is a trigger. So you press and hold to start it, and it's going to immediately start blowing. Of course, you have a couple different tip options. I generally don't mess with these too often, but you do have them if you need them. And then a USB-C cable, because of course, this is rechargeable via the USB-C right here. So let's immediately check out, guys, what our airspeed is going to be with this model. So it is very little, but I'm still expecting big things. I generally will hold this somewhat far back because I've broken a lot of these before. So full speed, let's try it out. All right, looks like we topped out at about 3,300 feet per minute, which is pretty quick. Not the fastest I've ever seen, but I've also never seen one that's this absolutely small. The WOLFBOX MF60 is definitely one of the smaller portable air blowers that I've used. Let me show you a couple other things you can do with this. We're gonna walk around the house and I'll show you some different things you can do. So one of the best things is obviously it's an air duster. If you got dirt on your dust, I've got a little bit of obviously excessive dust here, but it works with very small dust as well. Just quickly whip this thing out, give it a once over, and then it's instantly gone. Another thing that I'll use this for is the garage. I get leaves and stuff in here, and sometimes it's not enough to actually whip out my leaf blower. So I'll just keep one of these around, and you can see here, or if I need to clean my little mat here, where some spots where you can't get your leaf blower in, this is really handy. Get all those kind of leaves off of the mat. I've also seen people in the past blow snow off of their vehicle. Now, it would have to be a very light, dusty snow, but I have seen that happen. So that's another option as well. But my personal favorite thing to use these for is when you're starting a campfire. So you know how people will blow into the coals to really get it going. It needs oxygen. Well, this thing is gonna blow that out of the water. You can start a tiny little fire with this and then turn it on full blast and blow it right into the embers and do that for like a minute, and you're gonna have a massive flame after. It's gonna catch everything. Basically turns it into like a hot oven. That's exactly how they melt steel and metals like that. They pump a bunch of air into the fire to heat up the temperature. That's exactly what this does. So that's my personal favorite thing, but it does have a lot of different features here, guys. Overall, it's a really cool device, and I've been using a couple variations of these all year long, and I haven't been disappointed with the WOLFBOX one. So I will have a link down below, as well as to some of the other models. Check them out.